Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful DIY craft using rubber band, headband and a cloth clip. So place a cloth clip here and I have randomly adding the rubber bands. After adding them, it looks like this. Second step, take the first one, twist it, take the next. Twist, next. Twist, next. Twist, next. Twist, next. So likewise, you are going to do them till the end. Twist, next. So twist, take the next one through them. It looks like this. Let's see how it looks after completing them. After doing them, it looks like this. At last, pull and twist. So the hairband looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.